Hey guys, it's Bosco from FishNPanama. It's been 44 days since my captivity due to the pandemic. I haven't been fishing in 45 days. But we can't sit around and do nothing, so today's episode is going to be about my lures. Quick note guys, in any way am I being sponsored by any of these brands. These are just my lures, the fish I've caught with them, and what type of scenarios I'll use them in. Definitely, one of my favorite weapons out there is the popper. In its multiple presentations, it's one of the most effective and exciting lures when you get an attack or a bite. Its action resembles a fish that is feeding on the surface. Its concave mouth produces a splash, which is similar to sardines skipping away from a predator. The popper's tail is also attractive to fish. With this blue popper, I caught my personal best peacock bass, a 5-pounder. The whopper plopper, similar to a torpedo, has a rotating tail that rattles and makes bubbles once it's in the water. It can be steadily retrieved or yanked and paused to activate a fish attack. The skitter pop is a hybrid between a popper and a walker. Remember this name, Fire Tiger. It's one of the most effective color patterns in the market. The walker. The attacks on walkers are very exciting, like this croc's attack. If you still haven't seen this video, here's the link so you can check it out. The walker's action is from side to side on the surface, giving life to the expression, walk the dog. Topwater lures are most effective when water temperatures are lower. This is when fish are attacking superficially. This means in the morning or towards the evening. For the rest of the day, there are all-depth minnows, like this big game 130 minnow, 130 being the length in millimeters. This means it's 13 centimeters long. You might also remember this lure because I lost a relatively good peacock bass in this episode. Here's the link in case you haven't seen it. Redhead lures are extremely effective. This tail dancer drops down to about 11 feet of depth. And it's responsible for my first jack. In a steady retrieve, it moves its tail, and it's perfect for trolling or casting. Another effective redhead is this crystal 3D minnow, responsible for catching large snook. Amongst minnows, jerkbaits are really effective. This 3D prism jerkbait is one of the best hard baits I have in my arsenal. It's peacock bass's favorite lure for sure. Even snooks have tried attacking it. With this jerkbait, I caught a 4.5-pound peacock bass. Here's the link in case you want to check it out. Some lures come with BBs inside that cause an even bigger vibration to attract fish. Listen to the sound it makes. Another similar lure is the Noebi Fire Tiger minnow. You can steady retrieve or treat it like a jerkbait. These Dr. Minnow jerkbaits also produce good fish. These silver Yozuri jerkbaits resemble the reflection bait fish make with their patterns. This Noebi minnow bait has produced good fish in the Panama Canal and in saltwater. The lip or bill determines the depth and the action of the lure.
I don't know if you can see that, guys. What do I got here?
The story behind this day was I had stopped at this marina to eat and snuck into the docks to fish. I got there at 6. By 6:15, I had dropped my first cast, catching a barracuda immediately. The other catches I made that evening can't be shown because it was too dark and don't show up in camera.
Here you go, guys. I wanted to fish private marina Vista Amara. I want a little release.
Bucktail jigs are great with snook, curvina, and snapper. And you can jig them against the bottom of the ocean or lake. In this other box, I have swim baits and crankbaits. Retrieving this wild eye swim shad is similar to jigs and has produced very good fish. The story with this shad wrap is I had lost one just like it to a good fish in the Panama Canal. I ordered it on Amazon because I couldn't find it in the stores. On the first day I debuted it, I caught my very first snook, a 10-pounder. There are many lures that have proven effectiveness in diverse scenarios. This shad and this shrimp have been very effective when bank fishing. This bad boy here, I can't show on camera because I lost it in my last escapade before the pandemic lockdown. Check out how I lost it. In your experience, what species do you think this was? I think it was a massive snook.
¡Ay, hijo de puta! Se soltó en el último minuto, hermano.
Ultimately, there are all types of lures: crankbaits, spinner baits, ultralight minnows, jigging lures, soft plastics.
I hope you guys enjoyed this episode. Stay home and stay safe. We'll be back in the water soon. Oh, by the way, there's a giveaway for you guys. We have an Amazon gift card. We were going to give out some lures, but with the whole shipping and everything, it's going to be a headache from Panama to the United States or wherever you are. But instead, we're giving you guys a $65 Amazon gift card so you can buy the lures that you want. Knock yourselves out. All you have to do is subscribe to our channel. Make sure you comment on YouTube so your entry is valid. On Instagram, you must follow us at FishNPanama and tag 2 buddies you'll be fishing with when all of this is over.
Guys, before I go, check this out. What lure would have you used in this scenario?
Tírale, quita.